Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a bit of a different video, still an unboxing, but a different video. I'm feeling a bit gloomy today, I don't know why, just not really in the mood to film, but I wanted to get this up, so if I seem off, that's why. I hope you're gonna have a lovely bank holiday. So this one is the Zacuska box. Now, I'll try and cover my address. It's huge, massive, humongous. And what this is, it's a monthly subscription box, or like a one-off box where each month you get different European foods, such as like, you know, from Poland, etc, etc. Now this company actually sent me this out early this year. But unfortunately, due to like personal circumstances and loss of a friend and stuff, I put it somewhere, and I just had a lot on my mind and completely forgot about it. To be point blank honest, I grabbed something out of it and just didn't think about doing it. And I just saw it the other day, and I was just like, oh my goodness, I haven't filmed it, so I had to share with you. This is like a Christmassy one, but obviously. This is still available, and I'll link everything down below and the price, etc. So it's pretty big, and there's a lot of packaging. Just trying to not knock the camera. So it comes with a label. Okay, so it's really nice. It's welcome to Zacuska. We'll just call it Z box. And thank you for being with us from the start. We hope that you enjoyed this box as much as we do. Let us know how you get on. We have set up a Facebook group as well for any recommendations. Finally, if you like this box, you can get one off gift. Obviously, the code is out of date now. And I do apologise to the company because I do feel quite bad. So this isn't sponsored, but it was sent to me for free. So here's a PR haul, but it's not like sponsored. Like, I'm not paid to say anything about this. So it's quite jazzy. Like, I love all the design. I'll try and peel off the sticker and show you. Like, it's got all this really cool design, and it's quite, I don't know, I just like Swedish-ish influences. I'm probably getting all this wrong, but it's really European. I really like it. So it says it's got a leaflet with what's inside the box, and it's really well packaged. It's got really good bubble wrap. Loads of brown wormies, which I'm going to try and elegantly move without getting them over on my carpet, because these ones look natural, so they will be a bit of pain to clean up. Sorry, right. Let's get straight into it. So the thing I did actually grab, and have used pretty much all of it, is paprika. It's a smoked sweet paprika. It's a really good bag, it's 50 grams. I think it's a hot paprika, but I mean, it doesn't taste hot to me. We use paprika like a lot in our cooking, me and my partner. So when we ran out, it wasn't wrapped in the box, so I just grabbed it. So it's really, really good. Really flavoursome actually. Just put that there so I don't spill it everywhere, because it is open, it won't reseal for some reason. And that is sweet paprika. I'm not going to try and say all the names in Polish and things, but I will try my best. Sweet paprika, yep, it's from Hungary. It's used to add natural flavour to stews, soups, etc. And we use it on everything. It's really delicious. It hasn't got any prices in this, so I can't say how much everything is, but it's a really good way to try things out, because I'm like one of these persons that will go down to like the Tesco aisle, and I look down the like European aisle, or like see what's out there really, the American bit, and that's everywhere in supermarkets now, which is really good. So everything's cutely wrapped up as well. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay. Oh, it's like Christmas, even though it's not Christmas. Everything's wrapped up really cutely and really well, like bubble wrapped. There's been a lot of thought put into this, and I really like that, because you know, you want your items to be protected. Okay. this is a food box, by the way. It's not going to be any like beauty box or anything like that. Is sorry about that, guys. I'm just trying to see what the expiry date was on it because I can't seem to find one. It says it's on the bottom, but I can't seem to find a date on it. And if it tastes awful, then it's off, basically. So this is the Rygia Gold, in some language. It is the fried sprats in tomato sauce by Gamma A Latvian sprats, which are tiny little fish, a bit like whitebait. But I've never tried it in. I've never tried it in sauce. It says Latvian sprats are loved in the I can't speak. I loved it in the Baltics and the beyond. Gamma A is the world's largest producer of sprats. We've been selected this combination from Premier Riga Gold range because the tomato sauce has a light flavour. Great for those who have not tried sprats before. Okay, I actually might try that on a bit of toast because I actually quite like sardines on toast. It's a bit weird, but yeah, I like weird food, so I'm putting everything on the window shelf, obviously, as always. Okay. Oh, I see chocolate. Yes. Yes. Okay, so this is box damaged, but I'm not sure if it's from where I've been storing it. It is the Vilnius Original Chocolate, one of the many delicious chocolate brands from the Baltics. We picked the Vilnius Original Collection from Latvia. No, Lithuania, because its luxurious taste and feel. It's hard of better think indulgence on a cold winter's day with a warm cup of coffee. I can't speak today. I'm feeling strange and gloomy. So this chocolate's there. Now, what I will say is that I got this box sent to me in January, and a lot of these went out of date last year. Well, best before. They're not out of date. They'll still taste fine. In fact, do you know what? I'm going to try one. Probably going to regret it because I've got to talk, but they're huge. Okay. I really don't. Oh my goodness. These are artisan, you can tell. They're definitely really nice. Quite stickly. But you could, with a cup of coffee, that would be delicious. They do taste like posh chocolates, so that's good. I'm going to eat the rest of that until after. Oh gosh. I have a Huda lipstick on today. I find it very sticky, so if I've just wiped up my face, that's why. It's just not drying down, like, I don't know. Anyway, let's get back to it. So, I love chocolate, so I'm quite happy with that. And they are very Moorish. And well, who doesn't love chocolate? So the next thing is wrapped up. Okay, I think I know what this is. Okay, so it says, our lovely classic box would not be complete without Eastern European sausage. This sausage is made according to traditional Czech and Slovakian hunter's recipe. Try grilling it for a couple of minutes of a thick slice of bread topped with butter and cheese. Now, I won't eat this because I won't eat this because I'm vegetarian. In fact, I did think it was chorizo to begin with, but I think it's salami. But my partner will definitely eat this. He likes to chop it up and have it with egg and stuff, so he'll definitely eat that. Wrap that. Okay. Yeah, sorry if I come across a little, I don't know, I'm just feeling a bit meh. I didn't go to sleep till 3 AM and I'm just feeling woken up, just feel a bit, I just want to watch crap telly and stay in my pyjamas all day. Not depressed, just, don't know. Right, so another one. Again, this is wrapped up with love, which is good because it's really well protected. This has actually been on my bookcase in my living room, and people have been moving things around, so you know, it hasn't been damaged in any way really. Lots of bubble wrap. Okay. Now, most of this food, I'm not gonna lie, I know what chocolate is and I know what paprika is and salami and stuff and sprouts, but this is stuff I would not normally pick up. So it's really good to try it. I will leave the website down below because each month I guess is different. I do follow them on social media and it's really good. So the next one is Delicacy Lutatinia. I don't know what that is. I sound European, but I butcher everything. It's a traditional Bulgarian vegetable spread made from tomatoes, roasted peppers. This version is made from natural ingredients and is perfectly smooth and tangy. Bulgarians usually spread this on bread or toast or use as a dip. Okay, I'm going to try that on a bit of Vivita or on a bit of like sourdough bread. I think that'd be really, really tasty. It's got like stuff like carrots, peppers, cumin, tomatoes. Yeah, lots of really, really good stuff. So I'm excited to give that a go. What's the best before date on that? See, I really think that they package their stuff a lot different to us because their best before dates are on the bottom, but they're not very clear. So I don't know, if it tastes funny, it's off. I'm not one of these people that, whatever. I'm easy going, I don't really like waste. Okay, so we're getting to the last few items now, guys. Okay, so the next one is this. It's roasted buckwheat. Buckwheat's a traditional ingredient which is reinvented as a health food because it's low glycemic index and high nutritional value. The pre-measured versions from Poland is perfect for as a side dish for 2 or a main for 1. Simply boil 1 sachet for 12 minutes. Okay, that's what that looks like. Okay, so roasted buckwheat is a bit like, I use it a bit like lentils in salads and things. It's kind of a bit like couscous. It's really, really nice actually, and it's packaged 4 bags. So that's really good, and it's 400 grams. Per 100 grams is 367 calories. So it's really good to bulk out a salad or use with on the side of I don't know. I use lentils and all sorts, so I'm excited to give this a go. And the last item, oh my god, all of the wormies have gone everywhere. Oh no. Okay, so the last item is, oh my god, I just love how pretty this all is. It's making me think of Christmas so much. It's making me think of Christmas and woolly jumpers and things. That sticker stuck to me. Okay, the last item is jam. Oh great, I love jam. Okay, so this is Maguia de Prune. Okay, I sounded Italian. It's plum jam. We fell in love with this jam for Romania because it's lovely mild sweetness without any other sugar or artificial ingredients. It's ideal for on pancakes, plain pastries, or for even a richer taste with a sour layer of sour. I can't speak. For even richer taste, add together with a layer of sour cream. Okay, I'm not going to open this as I have marmalade and jam already on the go. There is English on this, which is really good. Date. Okay, really, really good till next year. That's really, really good. So it's plum jam. I do like jam. And I like to keep the jars as well because I make chutney and stuff at Christmas. Yeah, I'm excited to try that. So, you know, this might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. They're all different. They've got no prices. And I don't know where you can get any of these from. But they're really, really good. I love sauerkraut. I probably said that wrong, but it's like fermented cabbage. It's really good for you. So I love trying new foods. So I'll leave it all down below. I'll try and put a picture up of the latest box if there is one available. And I will put the link down below on their social media and where you can get it. And thank you for sending me out in the first place. I'm so sorry I haven't filmed until now. Personal stuff. But I will speak to you soon and have a fantastic bank holiday, and bye!